Oh, my ass is wet. Is it wet? Dude, try that one time. Hey, what's up? Hey. How are you walking up that crap? I can't even do it.
He's got grips.
It feels so, you feel like you're going so fast.
That's not coming from underneath you.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt. I wanna go down on my stomach. Huh? I wanna go down on my stomach. Bet you won't. It's fucking cold, and that ground's hard. It's gonna hurt so bad. Oh my god. I don't know if I want to do this or not. It's not a good idea. I guess I could slide it sideways and stop. No, I couldn't either. I'm gone, grab it. Yeah, when I start, I'm gone, dude. I'm shooting down there.
Watch out, Cody.
God, grab me again. Are you scared to stop yourself? You don't want to fall?
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, I can't stop myself. I have no grip on the bottom of these shoes. Alright. Oh my god. If I just get on my knees and get on my, bend at my knees. Oh, this is the way you're supposed to skate when you're right-handed, but I don't know about that, man. Fuck. Oh, that felt great. How you doing? I'm hot. Step on it and let it slide.
Go ahead, there ain't coming.
Ease on it slow, and then just let it slide down. Take note.
Where'd he go?
Slow motion. Did you get me on there?
You can't get back up.
Oh! Look at the skateboard. I'm gonna do it again. It's right there. I might get it up on this one.
You cold, Cody? You look red. Yeah. Watch out. So I can
Oh
get
my
it.
god. Why am I doing this again? Last time.
Just go at it. Just boom.
You going again? I think it's Cody's turn.
I think it's not my turn.
Cody, you gotta do it one time, man.
No.
It's freaking fun.
It's not fun.
It is. You wear the puffy jacket? It doesn't hurt, except if like snow goes up your shirt. That's it.
You gonna go?
Wait a minute.
You gotta work
Here,
yourself up. Now they
come
switching
right here,
shoes.
just wiggle your feet a little bit and you'll start. And you just hold your hand out. Right there, you'll get going.
Oh!
Hold your feet apart.
Oh, he's gonna bust his face.
Yeah, you can't even do it in these, man. I'd have to get a running start for these. Let's see.
Ow, that hurt.
This ice is so slick. Oh, my knee. Look at that crap, man.
It's all ice on top.
Yeah, like jabbed me in my knee. Whatever, it was fun.
Ice.
Oh, you almost hit him in the face with it.
Let me see that, just in case I need it.
Hold on, let me get on the other side. Oh gosh, I'm sliding.
On my belly, or you mean try to snowboard again?
Either one.
Belly.
Belly's better.
You better watch your face.
I don't know, snowboard was pretty fun there. Really want me to do it on my belly?
Alright, go.
Rolling.
Go ahead.
Watch your face at the end.
It's like you're one of those. Dang, that's deep.
I know, it like drops off right there.
How would you like a plate of snow? It's like,
Ew. Do it. So retarded.
Can't feel myself. Didn't really even make anything.
says the eye.
The big old kid.
Howden County redneck, son.
It's like crunch, crunch.